It's here for breaking news at Eba and it's a Kentampo accidents be akoso. Emma and now I can say 30 people are dead, 27 are bent beyond recognition, and 6 people have survived. Kentampo Tamale Road accident highway. That is the report coming through. Joy News, Asempa FM, Adom FM, all the major outlets air report. This is here. At the moment, I'm in the say breaking news at Eba and no. Now, the Ayatse from a year, I've heard from a lot of people, journalists from UTV, alcohol, a year, Kentampo FM radio station be a friend a year in Commode FM and also in Grofakoha, one more reports about a year yenimintino. The report assets now are ye having and no and I made the air bro. Now, Yate said the accident. Buses are not involved. U-turn bus, any mini sprinter bus, and actually say mini sprinter bus. No, the registration number AS180118. It's also saying I registered the ASR at Chelsea Ashanti region, and so I don't know where it was coming from, but it is on the Kentampo Tamale highway, and a head-on collision, and a eja a tour a year car anymore. Or more walk on him, almost shade drove, and that I know say 27 people are bent. In go for 30 and in go for 27 ashy. So far, just 6 people have survived. Now, we'll be back and say, same way yateda, and then AC, and exactly a year ago, 22nd March, exactly a year ago, 22nd March, that same Kentampo Tamale highway, and also Samokaya, 2 buses, Grand Bed, and also U-turn bus are in your collision. Over 70 people died. Mokaya exactly a year ago. That same Kentampo Kwaniso. And then so 30 people. Yankwechi, just last month, accident BSC was Kwaniso and Kofu Bebrenso FM Ewuye. What is happening on that Kentampo Tamale road niso? Again NAC. Emma and Sembia asofobi any occult phobia or more trese sa kwan so wo mo de aye blood bank no Emma aye no kre se mo kaya last year de na esi ye no exactly in March esi ye nkofo bebreshi ya wo mo wu ye no occult phobia ba bonten e be kan se eye occult ke ye rituals e na wo mo de ye na sa Kentampo kwan so de eye mo blood bank wo mo de nu moja ya koye se ya ye no kre. Because accidents be because we be are gory and a lot of people die. People say go for be brave. Me say what is happening? So that's the report we are hearing right now. That's the report that's coming through right now. Now assemblyman our Wahonso Eden Sam Ababetu Yenim, your friend Aziz Muhammad, and also confirm say the correct accident no AC. Sisia we are ne woka say. And now me ne woka say wo Twitter. It is beginning to trend. People are getting to hear of it. People are speaking on it. A bit more trend say sa Kentampo kwan so kra na eden na AC. Maybe read some comment from Ghanaians and some more can on that particular stretch of kwan so. I don't know what is happening. I just don't know. But we seriously need prayers because it has actually gone beyond mere coincidence. This has gone beyond mere coincidence. Now reports bia and also me here from UTV no na nkrofo esu so say ebia sa kwan na enye but reporter wo more can say sa kwan no edem pa ekwan ne ye kwan bia eye papa na ya koye say enwumre especially anahomache drivers na air driver wo so a wo mu ko speed too much because we a head on collision nti ye nim say wo mu ko speed na they don't see each other o say den yo but mostly wo mu ko speed san na accident ni sipe obon say eja to kan nim. And then most of those cars so eja tom sana who they say as a doors no eloke it's people there are trapped because afa wo mu hu baby a wo mu be fa akọ and then they are trapped in the cars na eja na ahye wo mu ni na eku wo mu ni na last year the ne ba ye kan ho asem kai Kofi TV a breaking news no ye kan ho asem exactly a year in the same month March I see here today too the same thing What is happening? What is happening? Let me read some comments from some Ghanaians, and then we'll see what is going on. Obi say the Kintampo there. Obi say meba. I say the Kintampo road there is good, but the overspeeding and overtaking they kill people. Sad news this morning. It will be can say quite there, and that is one thing about Ghanaians. Ya kwa say Ghana ya kwa papa maya ya dukunya ho. I am beginning to believe say enu wonti na eto de bia potholes eba kwan so a na politicians empese wo mo be fix no. Because Ghana he kwan bia kwan papa bia accident etaisi was kwan ne so. Why? Because overspeeding by heart, overtaken by heart, because kwan no dem soko. As a picture bia me hu ye will be posting you say hey Ghana road pan comment e pass say hey unya road say dia e was say wo ko overspeed o. Na me say wa hwe. Just say nya kwan a that's so smooth and no all we think about is overspeeding and overtaking people. And I can mention a lot of kwan abaya ya won say kwan a dem smooth. Now so accident are esisu wo enye easy. N1 highway, there's no pothole. Accident you see almost every single day. Accident see wo. What is happening? What is happening? Because the potholes kwan so there yenim say won go speed because obi enu asebe in the rightful sense no ohun say pothole kwan bi so na wo the speed akwa bom obesa wo car no inti me nim I don't know because obi asema wo no so dey aba no say the overspeeding there is killing a lot of people. What is happening in this country here for a day and a air so e wo my way mu people burnt to ashes. Drobe, just say inkofu yash drobe. Hey, Obenzo say the Kintampo there. What it did the road top where people feel died rough like that. Obete Kintampo accident bia. Just say won't say accident or Kintampo because say oh accident is see and people didn't die. Won't say accident that. Ubeti accidents bia wa Kintampo a nkrofo say yewu nkrofo say what is going on? Hey, Obenzo say I don't know what really they go on for Kintampo, but recently only bad news they come from that side. Nekre dia ni na wo kasa no. Wonim dia ekoso wo Kintampo, but recently as a bad news in kwa. Obenzo say Kintampo road slowly becoming the Bermuda Triangle. Nekre na wobi wo ho beka se Bermuda Triangle den. Bermuda Triangle mostly so far records are extra and say aeroplane there no aeroplane there beka kofa sa Bermuda Triangle no obon say the aeroplane goes missing. Yunhu aeroplane ni biom. Nti di obi kan say Kintampo kwan so ya da ne sa Bermuda Triangle no. That is the report coming through. We be say that Kintampo Temale road crowd, what it dey top? It be the road where no good or drivers who use the road where no they think. All accidents on that road be serious and heavy numbers of people they die always on that road. Oh, just say, unti asiye asema na America no. As accident bia wo better say Kintampo unti accident is here. E bia nipa kunu pra keke ne de na akọ hospital. Accident bia wo better at least 20 people, 30 people, 70, 60. Is it the drivers? And I said, dang, and now it is spiritual. No. Just say, pictures be a meal, I can't bring men to me and posty. But who nipa da se ninsen ya washe ayeyi wo mo body sababa to abont just say beyond ya omwashe beyond recognition. You wouldn't know say who nipa we busi ni kreni omwashe drop etie for wo mwashe yankasa nipa da se ni. What is going on in Kintampo? We've been so add the quote about from a year also for Penia or Ghana, I have an Eagle Prophet. Asembia Wakan was a Kindampo, Ghana, a bay 4 hour Moja, Womo headquarters. And no, any Asema, one also Aka. Oh, it's here for this is too gory. Obi say, bro, I never heard any good news about that Kintampo road. Accident somewhere they happen for that road top, and it's really pathetic. It be the roads or drivers where they cause these accidents. Cause I know the bab. Me kramentiase, me amewa hamentiase. Hey! Mon chere mo adwo comment box ni mu, me da say.